Hello YouTube, hope everyone is well. I am back, this time with an old clock. Well, I suppose they're all old, right? Anyway, I thought it would be fun to go way back to a clock I have only ever featured once on this channel. And it was sort of early on in my clock collecting, and I didn't know quite as much about clocks as I do now. So here we have a circa 1915 bracket clock by the Kienzle clock company out of Germany. And as I say, I got this clock fairly early on in my collecting in 2021. And when I first received the clock, it was in a bit of a sad way. One of the base moldings was missing, and there was a great big crack at the top of the case that is apparently fairly common with these Kienzle beehive-style clocks. And it was missing a pendulum, and the chime hammers weren't doing so hot. But most problematically, the suspension spring for the pendulum was broken. And this clock has sort of a tricky to replace suspension. Well, as of now, the clock has brand new chime hammers. It has an original pendulum, well, not original, but a Kienzle appropriate pendulum. The crack at the top has been replaced. The base molding has likewise been replaced. And it is now ticking and running and chiming Westminster quite beautifully. Enjoy.